Hi, this is David from Smart World. We are testing the app2car MMB 11 in a Chevrolet Silverado 2021. So this car actually comes with wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, but I want to show you why this is a fantastic product for those four-wheel drive fanatics or 4x4 fanatics. So when you install this device, you're gonna see a different screen on your car radio, and of course this screen is proper for this device. And the beauty of this device, you can install any apps from Google Play Store, so it kind of installed an Android operating system in your car, so you can install many apps and use them in the screen of your car. So some of the apps that you can use, I guess, that are great for four-wheel drive fanatics are navigation system, off-road navigation system. So I have installed one of them, Polaris, but I know that you have many other apps that you normally use, like Hems or others. Just trying to remember remember the names of the apps are like Hema or Map Maps or Garmin. Any of road maps that you may want to install it, you can now use them in your car radio. You don't have to have your mobile phone there in front of you. You can use it here and just simply use it, operate it, and have your maps with the latest maps off road in front of you. Another great app for four-wheel drive is the TPMS, tire pressure measuring system. You can download the TPMS for your car and have it in front of you connected. Of course, this is just a demo, so it might not show you how it works, but definitely it does. I'm just gonna ask you to select the model of your car and so on. But yeah, so these are two great apps that you can install using the app2car device. That is great for four-wheel drivers. Of course, if you have any app that you wanna for us to test and show you how it works, just let us know. Of course, it has to be a free app, because I'm not gonna pay $100 to subscribe to a navigation maps. That's the price of the Hema and all those. But yeah, happy to show you how it works. It's just very simple, to be honest. You just go into Google Play, you put your Gmail account, and you can just from here, Hema for example, just search for Hema. And of course this app is $99, but you can just click and download it and have it in your car radio for use for you is as a four-wheel driver. The other things, of course, for entertainment, you can download games, and of course you can download streaming services like Netflix. So after your hard day of or fun day having a four-wheel drive adventure, you just install Netflix and you start watching movies while you rest, and have a little bit of fun as well on your car, also watching movies. So it can be a full day, and of course the music and the sound is going to come from your car radio stereo. So these are some of the things you can do. This is a special video for four-wheel drive fanatics with a Chevrolet Silverado 2021. So if you want to find more about this great product, like all the different things you can do, like play videos from USB. Also, it has an HDMI port, so you can install this product in a rear seat screen. Tons of new features we have on this product. Just go to www.smartworldcompany.com.